Namaste students, RSV group of schools welcome you to class 3rd English. Today we are going to study another chapter of class 3rd English reader, that is Bheem and the Buffalo. Let's begin with the chapter. Bheem and the Buffalo. Bheem was a poor farmer. He lived with his wife and 2 children in a village. He had a small patch of land where he grew vegetables. His 2 buffaloes gave milk to the family. Bheem and his family was happy and they always thanked God for what they had. Students, this is a story of a farmer whose name was Bheem. He lived with his wife and 2 children in a village. He had a small piece of land on which he grew vegetables. He had 2 buffaloes. They used to provide him milk, and the family was living very happily and they thanked God for whatsoever they had. The children grew older. Bheem needed more money to send them to school. He and his wife decided to sell one of their buffaloes. They were sad to part the loyal animal that served them for many years, but they had no other option. So what did they decided? With the passage of time, they had to sell one of their buffaloes. Why? Because the children have grown young and now it was the time to send those children to the school. For that, they required money. Bheem did not have enough money, so the wife and he himself decided that they will sell one of their buffalo to get the money to send the children to the school. But they were feeling very sad. Why? Because they will have to part their buffalo, who has been serving them for so many days. And it is very difficult to leave anybody who has with us for many days. The next morning, Bheem set out for the cattle market in the town to sell his buffaloes. On his way, he met a man. So, the very next morning, as per his decision, Bheem took his buffalo to the cattle market where he could sell his buffalo. Cattle market is, students, a place where all the cattle like sheep, goat, buffalo, cow, they could be sold and could be purchased. So when he was going to the cattle market, he met a man. The man said, "Friend, I want to sell my horse. Would you like to exchange it with your buffalo?" So the man said that, "I want to sell my horse. Will you please exchange this buffalo of yours with the horse?" Bean thought that was a good idea and happily gave the man his buffalo. But soon he discovered that the horse was lame. He felt disappointed and continued walking. He was very happy with the exchange. But soon he realized that the horse was lame. It could not walk properly. He felt very sad, but he did not lose hope and started moving. Soon a man came with a cow. Bean told the man what had happened. The man said, "Don't worry, take my cow and give me the lame horse." Bean was very happy with the man's kindness. Soon he realized that the cow was blind with one eye. He felt disheartened. He sat down under a tree, unable to decide what to do. So at that very time, he started moving, and on his way, what did he saw? He met a man with a cow. So the man asked him what had happened. Bheem told him the whole story. And the man said, "You need not worry. You take my cow and give me this lame horse." Bheem was very happy by the kindness or helping nature of that man. But soon, what did he found? That the cow was blind with one eye. He sat down sadly under a tree and could not decide what to do because he was in a loss. He was not having the money to send his children to the school. Then a man came that way with a goat. He offered to exchange the goat for Bhim's cow. Bhim agreed, but afterwards he found the goat was sick. Sad and confused, Bhim exchanged his goat for a hen. So, students, he was sitting sadly at that very time. One more man came over there, and the same thing happened. Bhim again exchanged his blind, that is, one eye blind cow, with a goat. But this time also he was ditched, as the goat, which was in exchange of the cow, was sick, and he was again feeling very sad. After that, Bhim again sold that, or we can say exchanged that cow with the hen. It was evening. Bhim was hungry and tired. He sold the hen for a few rupees and brought some food to eat. As he was about to start, an old beggar walked up to his way. In the evening, Bhim was very sad, as he did not had anything for the day, and day was also not fruitful for him, because the exchange of each and everything from buffalo till the hen was not fruitful, was not profitable. So he sold the hen to get some money to have the food. But soon as he started having his food, what did he saw? He saw a old beggar who came up to him. I have not eaten anything for many days. Please give me something to eat, the beggar pleaded. Bhim felt sorry for the beggar. He gave all food to the beggar. Bhim returned home hungry, tired, without a paisa in his pocket. So, as soon as he started having the food, the beggar came to him pleading that please give me the food, as I have not eaten anything since so many days. Bhim felt very sorry for the poor beggar, as he was a very kind hearted man, and he gave all his food to the poor beggar. It was night, and Bhim returned back to his home without food and without money. Bhim's wife and children were not unhappy with the losing of buffalo and making no money. The wife said, "You have done the right thing. One must never turn a hungry man away." So he came back without food and without money. But the family was not unhappy, and they all supported him. The wife said, "He has done a very good job of giving the food to a poor needy person, as he was more in need of the food." The family went to bed after dinner. When they woke up next morning, they were amazed at what they saw. So the whole family was happy, and they had the dinner and went for a sound sleep. But the morning was different. They could not believe what they had seen. There stood in front of Bhim's house a line of animals: a young buffalo, a healthy horse, a cow, a goat, and a hen. There was also a bag of gold coins. So what did he saw? There was a line of all animals which he has exchanged. Buffalo in place of horse, horse in place of cow, cow in place of goat, goat in place of hen. But they all were not sick or having any disability. They all were fit and fine, and along with it, a bag of gold coins. After a few moments of surprise, they realized what had happened. Bhim's wife said, "I am telling you, the beggar you met was God in disguise. All this is his reward of your kindness." Bhim's family had no more worries. They lived happily. A few moments of surprise. The wife, she said, "This is all because of your kindness. Yesterday, when you went to the market to sell the buffalo, it was not the beggar who had come for the money. It was God in disguise. Disguise means a God in the dress up of a beggar who wanted to test you and wanted to test your kindness. And you have passed in that kindness test, and this is a reward of your test result." Bhim and his family after that lived very happily, and they had no more tensions, no more worries, and all the animals were serving them and they were living a happy life. Students, we should also try to help others in their need, because service to mankind is the best service to the God. And you should always be loving, caring, and kind towards everyone who is there on this earth. As it is said, you get back what you do. So, do good and have good. Have a nice day. Hope you have understood the story well.